If you've ever launched a Ubisoft game through Steam and suddenly needed an activation code, you know how confusing it can feel. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to find your Ubisoft Connect activation code directly in Steam. Quick, clear, and updated for 2025. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Enter your username and password if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, you'll land on your Steam homepage. And from there, everything you need is just a few clicks away. Head straight to your library tab. This is where all your purchased and installed games are stored. Now look through your list and find the Ubisoft title you're trying to activate. Something like Assassin's Creed, Far Cry, or any game that typically connects through Ubisoft Connect. When you spot the game, right-click its title. A menu will pop up, hover over, or click on Manage. From there, you're looking for an option labeled something like CD key or activation code. If the game supports activation through a code, Steam will display it in a small window. This is the code you'd enter in Ubisoft Connect when prompted. You can copy it directly from here. However, here's something most people don't realize. Not every Ubisoft game on Steam shows a CD key anymore. A lot of newer titles automatically link your Steam and Ubisoft accounts, so no code is shown at all. If you don't see an activation code under the Manage menu, it's likely because the game doesn't require one anymore. There are a few possible reasons the code isn't visible. The game activates automatically in the background, the publisher has phased out manual CD keys, or that particular title never needed one in the first place. If you're sure your game requires a key and it still isn't showing, your last resort is to contact the game's support, either through Ubisoft or the publisher listed in Steam. They can verify your ownership and guide you on how to retrieve or activate your game without the code. And that's all there is to it. By checking your library, right-clicking the game, going into Manage, and looking for the CD key option, you'll know in seconds whether your activation code is available or if the game takes care of everything automatically. If this guide helped, feel free to stick around for more quick fixes and game platform tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.